Redmi Band 4. We have got the box yesterday and now let's do unboxing in today's video. Hey guys, this is Parth, and if you are liking what you are seeing already, then please consider subscribing this channel. Let's now get started. So this is the box itself. It is very similar to the Mi Power Bank 2i, and basic information is written on it, like a USB charging, and a price info is also there. It is available for 2100 as written on box, but it's sold on the Amazon around 1600 rupees. So opening up the box, we are getting this smart band itself and basic quick start guide and nothing else. Guess what? What is the reason behind this? Why there is not a USB cable for charging? So here is how we will charge this band. So remove the shorter part of the band which is available at the lower end and remove it carefully and directly plug the band into any USB port. So note that this is a direct USB cable charging, so you don't need to have any kind of a USB cable. I am liking this method, but I am very skeptical about the life of this band because while pulling it out, the lower strap, it might damage the USB port of the band itself. This is an IPS LCD display of this band, and this is a very thick bezel around it. So this kind of look like already in the budget kind of a smart band. So you don't have that curved display on the band that we are seeing in the other smart bands. The back side of the band, where we are seeing that the Redmi branding. So how to set up and use this earphone for the first time? It is very simple. Go to the Play Store, download the Xiaomi VR app, and while opening the app, you will be prompted to turn on the Bluetooth. So turn on the Bluetooth and search it for the Mi Band 4. As soon as your smart band will be connected with your app, it will sync automatically all the data with your app. Note that you have to make the app to run in the background all the time while using the band, so you will get the important notification on your smart band. You can also set the manually brightness on this smart band. Although the brightness at maximum level is also, especially in the outdoor, is kind of just okay, but we can't really complain at this price range. Xiaomi has also provided the functionality to find a phone in case you will miss the phone while putting it nearby. So we will test this and see how accurately it will work. You can set the alarm from the app itself, of course, because the functionality is there in the app and the smart band in both, but you can set the alarm in the app itself. Xiaomi has also provided the functionality of the heart rate tracking and the step counting. So we will have to test this and see this how accurately this functionality will work in our review video. So there are different kind of watch faces, and you can call themes are available, which can be obviously set by the app itself, and you can download the multiple themes, and while syncing with the band, you can set it your favorite themes. So here is how you can navigate in the band. Swipe up to get the different functions, swipe right to enter, swipe left to go back. That's it from this video, guys. I will be reviewing this smart band and will let you know if it is worth your 1600 rupees. Till then, do like, subscribe and share this channel, and stay tuned for the more videos. That's it from this video, guys. I hope to see you in my next video. Take care.